Reggie here. Today I just wanted to take some time out to thank all of you for the amazing support that you've shown us here on our Kickstarter campaign in the first couple of days.
Today we hit some significant milestones. We went over 200 backers, got over $4,000 in pledges already, and at almost the same time we hit 300 likes on Facebook. So we're 20% of the way there, but we've got a long road to go, so we'd appreciate the continued support.
Hey, we know that there's been some confusion with the rewards, and we're working on it to get it fixed.
We're going to develop some new graphics over the weekend and probably some videos to show both the differences in the new and the old laces.
We are so grateful for all of your support.
Again, I just want to say thank you from me and the rest of the Snap Laces team. We really appreciate the support. It's been a phenomenal 2 days. We're excited by the progress, but we still know that there's a long way to go, and we're not going to be able to get there without your help. So if you wouldn't mind sharing the project with your networks, friends, and family, we think we can get this done. Stay tuned.